Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to refill toner in the Brother MFC-L2701DW printer step by step. This method is simple, fast, and saves money, so make sure you watch till the end. Step 1. Turn off the printer. First, turn off the printer and unplug it for safety. Step 2. Open the front cover. Open the front cover of the printer carefully. Step 3. Remove drum and toner unit. Pull out the drum and toner unit together from the printer. Step 4. Separate toner from drum. Press the green lock lever on the drum unit and remove the toner cartridge from the drum. Step 5. Open toner side cap. On the side of the toner cartridge, you'll see a small refill cap. Open it gently. Step 6. Refill toner powder. Now slowly add compatible toner powder into the cartridge. Do not overfill, as this may cause leakage or print issues. Step 7. Close the cap properly. After refilling, close the cap tightly to avoid toner spilling. Do not touch the green drum roller with your hands. If needed, clean it lightly using a soft, dry cloth. Step 9. Reset the toner, very important. Keep the front cover open. Press and hold the GO button for 10 to 15 seconds until the printer lights start blinking. This resets the toner counter. Step 10. Reinstall and test print. Insert the toner cartridge back into the drum unit. Place the unit back into the printer and close the front cover. Turn the printer on and take a test print. That's it! You have successfully refilled the toner in your Brother printer. This easy method helps you save money and time. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.